What's going on today, Tuesday? We got another Hexxit episode. Me and Damon are back for episode whatever it may be. At this point, we've lost track. I think in episode
14.
5, something like that. Still in our Hexxit armors, because we haven't found anything better. Because I'm pretty sure this is the best armor in the mod pack. We also just have to get the thieves armor, and then we have all 3 of them done. But I'm about to show Damon something cool that I found in that last dungeon. If you didn't watch that last episode, go to the playlist down below. Check it out. It was pretty funny. We went into the dungeon that's over here. I can actually show you on the map. Up here in the snow and jungle, or plains, whatever this would be. Jungle, snow, whatever. And defeated that. It wasn't as fun as I thought it was going to be because the boss wasn't there. But Damon, I need you to come over here so we can conduct an experiment.
Are you gonna Frankenstein me or what?
No, I don't think so.
I don't want to hear it.
Go over there. Like right on my arrow.
Mom?
Yeah, but they can explode each other. So like, look. Stay there, stay there, stay there. How much damage does that do? Can that blow you up? Oh. Oh my gosh.
That took a heart.
I thought it was going to be cooler. It must be the holy hand grenades that are nuts.
Buddy, why do you still jump up on the thing? You got flight now.
I forgot. Still haven't figured that out, by the way, because we're recording this the same time as the last episode. Let's just turn all our bones into bone meal, and then we'll go check and see if this works. Come and loser or what? Hey, hoser. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Sorry, I have important people to text.
Well, that's a lucky you problem. Let's see if this works. Oh, it did. It does. All right, go in and destroy these behind me, and then replant. Should have a not very high chance, but a better chance of getting golden geisels from this. Golden and lovely geisels is what we're looking for. The lovely are pink. The golden ones are obviously golden.
Got a loverly.
Nice. Maybe this episode we'll go get some chocobos as well. Or no, you know what? We got to make a chocobo barn.
Cody, I ran out of seeds.
What?
Yeah.
Do you have more? Are they in your inventory? I'll just turn the other geisels into seeds then. Save like some, so we have some enough to tame. That's weird. It's not a 1-to-1 return, or even 1-to-2 like wheat. That's weird. All right, then I'll just bone meal all of that, and then we'll go with this. I just got a lovely geisel.
I only have one still. I have 2 now. 3, 4.
You have 4? It's a
I got, like, 3
1-to-1.
of them out of this
I just
row.
got a 1-to-1 ratio.
I don't know. I didn't get one. I didn't get 4.
Well, it sounds like you suck. I just got a golden geisel. I also don't know how many wide I made this, so I just got more than a 1-to-1 ratio. I got another golden geisel. Got another one. Or wait, no, maybe that was a lovely. Dude, I suck at this. I need one right there. Right there, Papa. There you go.
Here. Where you at?
I'm right here. This is where you should have put the chest. So we can put other seeds out here.
Hey, dummy.
Oh yeah, true. I forgot.
Here, we have a spare one that has no use.
Yeah, put it over here. Because we do have to make this fenced in at some point, but I don't want to do it yet. And we have to make a path. You gonna place the
Hello?
chest or what?
No, I just lagged.
Hello?
Hello?
Alright, let's go find some chocobos. We gotta find a field to go to.
Dude, my computer is not liking life. you go?
All right. So
Where'd you go?
I went to the house.
Why is there dirt on our house?
I don't know. What did you do? I'm gonna take this. And we're going to. What should we make the chocobo barn out of?
Chocobos.
Yeah, totally. I wanted the eucalyptus, but I can't. We can't seem to find any.
I can't walk through the door. Cody, I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to do this.
Do what?
I'm lagging.
Well, that again sounds like a personal problem. Should we just do regular oak, or should we do a different color? Should we do the redwood?
Yeah.
Okay. And you know what we need? Oh, this is gonna suck. This part's gonna suck. We need a bunch of wheat. So we're gonna have to go to one of the villages and like actually raid it for all of its stuff.
Oh no, wait, we have a stack in 15.
Can you bring me that actually?
Absolutely. I'm gonna go back to my viewer's point. I'm gonna kill you.
You're the one who
You're dead
wiped
to
out
me now.
half the mountain.
Stop it.
I am not the
You're
one
hurting my
who
mountain.
wiped out half the mountain. That was you. I need you to pick up all the stuff I can't collect and get rid of it.
Sucks. I got rid of it.
Okay, that'll change, but for right now, that's good enough. I don't want that flower here. You're the flower boy around here. Okay, so bam. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Oh, nope, not off the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3. Oops, I lost track. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that should be an odd number, which is what I want for the sides. Is that 5 or 4? Cool story, bruh. And this should line up here. 4, 5. Okay, so you know what you could be doing, Damon?
Want me to build? I'm gonna slap you.
No, you could fly to a village and steal all of its wheat. Like every single piece of wheat that it has.
Cody,
What?
come here.
That just hit the house? Oh my gosh. You scared me. I thought it hit the house.
Star piece. What does it do?
You make it into something.
I thought it did hit the house, you
Cody!
Cody.
Dude, I'd have been fuming. You know how hard I worked on that house?
Considering you still left dirt on it.
I did not leave dirt on it. You left dirt on it.
I didn't do the roof.
Are you gonna go get the wheat or no?
What village would you like me to go raid?
I don't care. The closest ones. That way you don't crash.
It's not if I crash, it's if I get kicked.
I thought you were I thought your internet or your thing was dying.
My computer's really not handling it. If we want to be real here, it is very hot.
It's
Oh.
hot?
Very.
That's probably not good. A star piece just hit the thing again. Hit right next to the house again. They're getting awfully close.
You just had to disable flying.
I didn't disable it. It's enabled. I'm looking at the screen. Are you kidding me? I just fell all the way to the ground.
That all of its wheat.
Yeah. As much wheat as you can get, literally. We need a whole heck of a lot of it.
Those are carrots.
I'm too short, you stupid game. Are you kidding me? Those go in my backpack. I think the house looks good. I forgot my jump boost is only so high.
Chocobo.
Oh no, I'm not.
Just kidding. It's an ostrich. Killed it. We're good.
If you find any more redwood on your way back, can you get that too? I kind of low-key just ran out. And I'm not sure we have any more in the chest. I'm gonna look before you get back, but just in... I'm gonna lose it if I fall off this roof one more time, and I almost did it. I almost did. I'm not gonna have enough for these stairs. I'm gonna be mad. Or not the stairs, the roof. Okay. So I gotta fly over here so that way I can see if we have any more redwood here until he gets back so we can finish this. Nope. Have 13 planks and that's it.
Oh, dude, there's a
That's
blacksmith in here.
fir log, sakura, fir log. Firwood, sakura. Yeah, I need some redwood ASAP, Rocky. I don't even know where you got the redwood from, if I'm being honest.
Yeah, Odie.
What?
Getting kicked.
I can see that. You having troubles?
Mildly unstable.
Are you gonna bring back my redwood or no?
No,
Alright,
bringing back 2 stacks of wheat.
I need redwood.
That sucks. Jesus, come, dude.
I don't know what to tell you. I am physically looking at the server saying flying is enabled, and it's not enabled, obviously.
Did you restart the server?
I did not. We went straight into recording.
Well, that sucks. You should fix it. I almost died.
How do you want me to fix it? If I restart the server, you're going to go to bed. 'Cause you're old and... What happened to my pickaxe?
Your
My
pickaxe just
pickaxe is
break.
gone. Damn, this is not a joke. Not a drill. My pickaxe is legitimately gone. It's
Sucks.
gone. It's gone. It's gone. I don't suck. I want it back.
Mm.
Dude, I just got kicked for flying. God. What happened to my pickaxe?
What'd you do with it? Where were you last with it?
I don't remember. I've done nothing but build this barn.
You really need to do a pattern.
I ran out of redwood. I don't know where to get redwood.
Me neither.
How did you get redwood then?
I didn't.
You did? Dude, where? What the heck?
You still trying to pickaxe?
No shit.
Hey, language.
No, fuck this. Where is my goddamn pickaxe?
You check your chest in your room?
I haven't been into my room. Problem is, I don't know how long it's been gone. I just went to use it, and it wasn't there.
See where it's
Dude.
at. I bet you it won't get despawned.
Huh?
Can guarantee you it's not going to be despawned.
If we don't, I don't know where it is. It's gonna despawn. We're in the same chunk as it.
No, it's not going to.
That's literally what despawning is.
Yeah, but it's not going to despawn. I told you
Why
that.
is it not
Because
gonna?
go check your fucking chest in your room.
It's in there.
You're welcome.
Where did you find it?
It was sitting in the living room.
Here's douche canoe.
How? Because I saved you your pickaxe?
I just dropped it on the floor again, trying to sprint. Yeah, because you just made me
That's,
look for it and waste a whole electric staff.
yeah.
Where did
What you
you?
get for
Where did
throwing
you
around
find?
expensive things.
Where did you find the redwood?
I have no idea.
I seriously have no idea where the heck you got it from.
And now we're back to being civil.
I want to finish the barn so that way we can go back to
These
getting
little buildings
geisels.
over by spawned.
Huh?
What are these little things over by where we spawned?
What other things?
Is in the forest. That's where we made our first house.
Is that redwood? That would certainly suck. There's one closer to the right, but I'm gonna get kicked because I'm gonna fly over there.
No, go to the autumn forest, stupid.
Is that why?
Because look at the tree.
Look at what tree?
Buddy, we have 24 redwood saplings.
Oh, well, why don't you plant them?
I'm gonna slap you.
I didn't know that.
Why didn't you look? Now I gotta
My
come over by the geisel.
I just broke the game, I think. I'm like 90% sure. Oh no, I didn't. I didn't break the game. It just decided to give me back a little piece of my thing. Of course, this is stupid fur. I want you. Oh my gosh, I just flew all the way over here for nothing. And I got kicked for flying. Can you bone meal one and get him for me? While I try to attempt to fly back and not get booted 17 times. On camera, on a server I made, and I pay for, at that, for it to not let me do what I want to do.
Sunshine, we shine together. Told you I'll be here forever.
Dude, I'm right next to the house and I just got booted.
That sounds about right.
Did you get it or no?
Cody, I don't have the bone meal. You do.
Oh yeah, where you at? Oh, there you are.
Right next to one.
You did it on the edge of the thing. Bone meal doesn't work on it. I just wasted 24 bone meal on it. All right, give me the wheat. Give me the wheat. I'm done
Send me
messing around
chest.
with this stuff. What chest?
Over there at the house.
Why? Oh my lord. Where? In the house in the chest. You got 31 wheat. That's it.
Thought you just sent me to go get saplings.
What?
Where are we at?
What did you just say to me?
Thought you just sent me over there to get the seeds.
The seeds. I
I got
said wheat.
Oh,
Oh my god. Did you throw away wheat?
no. What I have is what I had.
Oh, we're sitting at 25 minutes.
Oh, we didn't get chocobos
We
this
didn't
time.
get chocobos this time.
I can watch you while you sleep now.
Put that in there, put that in there. Okay, that's where we're gonna end the episode. Sorry we didn't get the chocobos. Stuff went haywire because we ran out of materials and we're gonna wait for that redwood sapling to grow. But as always, make sure to like button down below, make sure to comment what your guys' favorite part of the series is, and subscribe.
Oh, hit the bell.
Jeez, oh Pete, we look like a bunch of amateurs. Deuces.
Make sure you comment what Cody should wear in his next video.
What I should wear?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say something
What is
skimpy.
that noise?
It's my scythe. Okay, deuces.